let me go with the problem number 2. Fine, write a 15 meter, right, 15 meter as percentage of 1000 kilometer. We know that we are supposed to represent in terms of percentage, right? Let us check out this. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, correct? Yes or no? Right, now 1000 kilometer is equal to how much? 1000 into 1000. Right, now we are supposed to convert it. So 1 meter is equal to 1 divided by 1000 into 1000. Now 15 meter is equal to 15 that divided by 1000 into 1000, correct? Now we are supposed to represent in terms of percentage. That's what this will goes like this: 15 divided by 1000 into 1000 that divided into 100. These two zeros I'll cancel. Now we are going to get 15 divided by 1000 into 10, that is 10,000. Right, now simplify it, you are going to get 0.0015%. This is what the answer is.